Hello everyone, welcome to Research and Analysis. My name is Dr. Kamran. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to use Jenni ethically and responsibly. Before moving forward, let me introduce Jenni is all-in-one AI-powered workplace which is specifically designed for students, researchers, and academicians. It supports researchers in drafting manuscripts, generating ideas, and managing citations, making the research process faster and more structured. Nowadays, it has become much more important to be conscious about the use of AI in academic writing. You must have heard the scandal of a Hong Kong University professor who was just stepped down from his position of associate dean just because of AI generated references. There is another article who was recently retracted just because it contains 38 references that were not existed in scientific literature and they are potentially generated by AI. In both these two cases, the problem was not the use of AI, but actually the use of non-existent references. Here I want to highlight a very important point that nowadays the editors, they are not only looking into the citations, whether they are real or fake, but they are just moving one step further and they are conscious about the text written by the authors actually matches with these provided citations or not. In this video, I'm going to discuss the ways in which Jenni can help you in using AI in an acceptable and responsible way. First, Jenni provides transparent citations. As you can see on my screen, I'm working on this research article. So all the citations that are used in the text, you can see here it has provided us all the details in the referencing heading. If I want to reconfirm any of these articles, I can simply click its DOI number and it will take me to that particular article. Not only this, if I put my cursor on any of these citations and click this open quote, so it will take me to that part of the text from where this text is extracted. So I can read by myself and then just to confirm whether the text is written here is actually matches this article. Next is AI declaration feature. On this page, here you can see the guidelines from the Elsevier. And here you can see if you just scroll down, here is about the disclosure that the authors should disclose the use of AI tool for manuscript preparation in a separate AI declaration statement in their manuscript upon submission, and a statement will appear in the published work. Here you can see the examples. These are the articles. For example, this article was published in International Journal of Agriculture Sustainability, and this is listed in Taylor and Francis database. If you just scroll down in the end, here you can see the AI declaration statement. During the preparation of this work, the author used Jenni AI in order to improve the language and readability. After using this tool, the authors reviewed and edited the contents and needed and take the full responsibility for the contents of the publication. This is another article, and here you can see the declaration statement. They have also mentioned that during the preparation of this work, the author used Jenni AI. And in the same way, this article has also mentioned this AI declaration statement, and here it has mentioned that it has used a Jenni AI. Jenni has this inbuilt feature of AI declaration. So once you will complete your search article, let's say I have completed this search article, so I will put my cursor here and I will simply type this / from my keyboard, and here you will see some options. Just scroll down, here you will see this AI declaration. Let's just click it. So see, Jenni has just added the AI declaration in my research article. The next is newly added feature of review. By using this feature, you can just review your research article or a thesis for the accuracy of the citations, and as well as you can also proofread. For instance, I have just completed this research article. So what I will do, I will copy this complete article and paste into Jenni. I have pasted my complete article in the Jenni. Here is my article, and here you can see on Jenni there is a review feature. In review feature, you will see two sub features. One is claim confidence and other one is proofread. Let's first run this claim confidence. See, after running the claim confidence, it has provided us the suggestions based on these 6 areas: misrepresented, contradicted, unspotted, weakly spotted, overstated, and unverifiable. This feature is really amazing, especially in a situation when you just have completed your search article and at the end you just realize that there are few sentences that has no supported citation, or you just forgot to add the relevant reference. For example, if you can't just go back, you can just use this feature and it will tell you some nice suggestion which you can add as a citation for those sentences. As you can see in this article, it has provided us two suggestions for unsupported. First, you can see it has just suggesting us this particular article for these sentences. What we will do, we will open this article and do to reconfirm whether the suggestion is appropriate or not. So if we feel that this particular citation is okay for these sentences, we will simply click this accept. After accepting this suggestion, let's just scroll down. Here you can see Jenni has provided us another suggestion, and it has suggested us this particular citation for this text. Let's just click this highlighted part, and from here we can simply click this open quotes. If after reading this text we feel okay with this citation, we can simply click this arrow, and then from here we can simply click this accept. Although regarding this document I only get the suggestions regarding this unsupported, but of course when you will upload your document, you may get the suggestions regarding the other areas as well. By the way, if we are not happy with the suggestions, we can also go for rescanning. Now let's just try this second sub feature of this proofread. See, Jenni has proofread my document and it has provided me the 9 suggestions. It has proofread my document regarding the grammar, punctuation, word choice, formality, and passive voice. So I can review all these suggested changes one by one to see whether to accept or reject. The last feature that I want to discuss in this video is reference library. On my left side, here you can see this specific slot for library. So once I will click it here, you can see all the PDFs that are uploaded to my library. If I want to add more documents or more PDFs to this library, I will simply need to click this arrow, and from here I can select up to 100 PDFs. I can also import the data from Zotero or Mendeley. For example, for this purpose, I just need to connect my Mendeley account with Jenni, and after that I can import the PDFs and metadata from the Mendeley to use in Jenni. Even if I have just the DOI numbers and or any other data regarding the PDFs or any document, I can import those documents as well in my Jenni's account. With Jenni's library, you can also have the experience of customized writing. Generally, Jenni's provide you the suggestions and the citations from the 250 million plus such articles. But if you just want to use only those articles and the documents that are uploaded to your library, you can do that as well by using this setting, which you can find here in the document setting by clicking this 3 dot, and from here this document settings, and from here and just put off this consider external sources and just put on this consider library sources. With this setting, it will give the priority to the suggestions that are from the PDFs that are uploaded to your library. In the conclusion, I would say the use of AI tool like Jenni can significantly enhance the research writing process, but only when you are using them ethically and responsibly. AI should always be treated as a supportive assistant, not a replacement for your critical thinking, originality, and academic integrity. As a researcher, it's your responsibility to carefully review, edit, and validate any AI-generated content to ensure accuracy and authenticity. If you want to try these amazing features of Jenni, you can use the link which is given in the description, and as well as you can also find the discount code. I hope this video will be helpful. Thanks for watching.